idiomatic, snowed under. The results are very good. I must hide myself somewhere, delete it from my vocabulary. Today is day 10 of my 30 days challenge talking to the camera in English. Today I must use idiomatic expressions like a piece of cake or something similar. I asked Gemini also which are other idiomatic expressions like a piece of cake, and it gave me a huge list with such expressions. But to be honest, I don't have the experience to use them. I thought it's going to be a piece of cake, but it seems that it isn't. I thought it will be a breeze, but it seems that it isn't. I can repeat these idiomatic expressions to just have pronounced them once at least, so that probably the next time that I'm talking to somebody, I can use them. Because currently, my brain is a little bit freezed. I had a very bad night. Those of you who are parents know for sure how exhausting it is when you don't sleep in the night. My daughter woke up in the night because she heard some noises, and then she came and she was afraid, and I went to her room to check what is wrong, and I heard these sounds as well. It sounded like a fly, but not really. It was so loud, and it was like a continuous noise, and I didn't see anything, just this sound. I told her, take your blanket and come to us to the bedroom, and then we took the blanket and it stopped. Then I thought it might be in the blanket, but it isn't. We had the feeling that we hear it somewhere in the house, but not anymore on our floor. I don't know what was it, and it was around about 2 o'clock. And then I thought it's going to be a breeze to sleep again, but I couldn't fall asleep. And then I had different thoughts in the night because of this 30 days challenge that I'm doing, how excited I am that I'm doing it. And I thought it is probably this word probably is something that I must avoid. I must delete it from my vocabulary. I thought, because I'm so excited about it, and because I do feel that the results are very good. I feel that when I talk 10 minutes to the camera every day, then I'm talking more freely in my job. And I still have difficulties to express myself, but much less than before I started this challenge. And I want to share this with you, not through these videos, but also somehow share with you the plan that we created with the Gemini. So I thought I will write a book. And don't laugh now. I know that I cannot speak well, so this would mean that I cannot write well. I will do my best. And also I admit that I'm going to use Gemini for that, because the plan is coming from Gemini. Gemini can express itself much better in English than me. And like in my job, in my daily job, we are using AI all of the time, but we are monitoring everything that the AI models are creating, so that we avoid hallucinations. So I thought this would be a great project for me as well, to write a book about this challenge, so that you can also use this plan that I'm currently doing and then do the challenge yourself. It is very nice structured. It's split it in 4 phases. Each phase includes around about 7 days. It should be 7 days because, or probably a little bit more, because 1 week is 7 days and 30 days are a little bit more than a week, but there are 4 phases. There are 4 phases, 2 phases 7 days and 2 phases 8 days, I think. And even if I am under snow, I would like to read this book. Snowed under, snowed under. Even if I'm snowed under, I would like to write this book and share with you. It is not going to be about my personal experience, but about this plant. And this was something I thought in the night, and I'm starting today writing the book. I will keep you up to date how it is going, and I will let you know when you can buy the book. And then you can also do your 30 days challenge and let me know. Let me know about your experiences. Let me know how is it working for you. Do you learn new stuff because of this challenge? Do you feel better when you're doing this challenge? Because for me, my experience is really that I gain so much self-confidence because of this challenge, because I see how many, even my vocabulary, I see how many words do I know, even if sometimes I miss them. But most of the time I can remember words, most of the time even complicated words that I didn't expect it to know, just because I'm practicing and they're coming from within somehow. And of course, this is the only one part which is very important for me, that I gain self-confidence to speak in English. And then the other part is, of course, that I am learning new stuff, because then after I stop recording, I am watching the entire video and I am writing down the words which I was not able to remember or which I didn't know at all. And this is a piece of cake. This is not a piece of cake, but I hope that at the end of this challenge, speaking is going to be a piece of cake for me. Totally, that I don't make so long pauses and think about words, but just replace the words that I currently want to say with something, with other words that I already know. So this was day 10 of my 30 days challenge, talking to the camera in English. And even if I was so tired and I was not sure if I should sit here and talk about anything, if I'm able to, but I see I'm able to speak even when I'm tired, and now I go to sleep perhaps just a little while, like 20 minutes, because I finished working. Today is Friday, and then on Saturday I must hide myself somewhere because the entire family is at home, and talking to the camera is still a little bit weird for me, that someone in the room next to me or in the same room is sitting and looking at me how I am talking to a camera. I can talk to the camera when I'm alone by myself, but if someone else is in the room, I prefer to talk to him. Probably is the same for you. Obviously, talking to a camera is very weird until you learn it. And then you can it, and then it doesn't play any role.